example of what can be done to engage communities is to look at their basic needs. For instance, the need for daily food, the need for water.
The good news is that I think One Health as a concept is really taking off in recent years. Now, in the last 20 years, you're seeing One Health increasingly being discussed in places like the World Health Organization, in the UN Environmental Program, and many other places around the world, and we're also talking about climate change and health. So these are good things, but we have a lot of work to do.